In this video, I'll show you how to remove the battery from your Apple AirTag. If you don't use your Apple AirTag, or you're just worried that maybe the battery will leak inside the AirPod, maybe the battery is low on the AirTag and you don't have another battery to use it and you don't really use it, I'll show you how to remove the battery and you can place it back without the battery, so the AirTag is going to be off. It will be unpowered. So like this you can keep it. Also you can send it like this. If you sell it to someone, it's easier, it's safer if you send it without the battery, especially through the post. Sometimes the post, they have some restrictions for batteries. It's a small cell battery, and this kind of battery is actually useful in many devices. So you might want to take the battery out from the AirTag to use it on a scale or a kitchen scale or any kind of other device that needs a battery like this. So this is the Apple AirTag and that's the cap there, and you have to press on this and twist it counterclockwise. It might be a little bit difficult, especially if you never changed the battery, if you never removed it, but it has to spin like this. This case is rotating just a bit and then you can remove it. So I will show you now. I press and I twist counterclockwise. You see, press and twist. Keep doing it. At some point it will open. So now it's open. And you see these tabs here, they go in there. And when you twist to the right, it will lock in place. This is the battery. This is the button cell battery, CR2032 2032. Keep away from children, it's very dangerous if swollen. Made in China, 3 volts. So yeah, that's the battery. If you need to use this battery for something else, these batteries are used even on computers. You can use this kind of battery on a computer for the BIOS. Most of computers need a battery like this for the BIOS, the CMOS memory. So if you need a battery like that, you can actually take it out from the Apple AirTag. And there is some information there. There is also some information here. Model A82187, EMC33356, FCC ID, I guess some standards. This is probably a unique serial number for the AirTag. And then you have China, but it's made in China, 3 volts. And then the battery type, CR2032. So yeah, these are the battery contacts. The battery goes in like this. When you put the battery in and it connects, it will make this beeping noise. So this here is going to be the negative, that's the negative, and the edges there are the positive. Because here it says positive on this side of the battery, and this side makes contact only there. There are no lights on the AirTag, only the sound and the Bluetooth connection. It's actually ultra-wideband low energy Bluetooth, ultra-wideband low energy Bluetooth. So yeah. This cap doesn't need the battery to place it back in. So just have to align these 3 notches with the 3 notches on the cap itself. And now I can twist it also. Remember to twist it clockwise. Okay, now it's actually much lighter. This is a fully functional Apple AirTag, but it is temporarily off. This is actually how you turn it off completely. There is no way to turn it off. Even if you unlink your AirTag from your iPhone, the Find My account, it's still waiting for a connection. But when you remove the battery, now it's off completely. It's fully functional. As soon as you insert a new battery or the same battery, it will start working again. But now it's actually also much lighter like this. With the battery out, the AirTag is safe. There is no chance the battery will leak in it, especially if you don't use it for a long time. And for sending, if you're selling it, it's much safer to send it without the battery. These batteries can be used for many things, so in a way you could even use a battery to start a fire, put two pieces of wire together and some paper to start a fire if you need to. You can actually use this battery for lots of things. To use it for a light, you can use it as a light, as a flashlight. You just put an LED over the terminals here. They are really universal. And it's because it's 3 volts, you can put LEDs on it, you can put lots of things, and it works on, it's useful for computers. You can use it for bathroom scales, regular scales, or kitchen scales, lots of things. That's how you remove the AirTag and how you disable the AirTag. Now the AirTag is turned off, completely disabled. Now the AirTag is completely off. You can keep it like this or send it to someone without any problems. Especially with the post, there might be problems if you send batteries in the post, even a small one like this. Thanks for watching.